So the continuation of the deep water MCQs. Yesterday we had discussed up to 25. Now we'll be going to 26. We'll be able to complete faster. What lesson did Douglas learn from his experience of drowning and then learning to swim? Option number 1, learned swimming. Option number 2, love for swimming. C, swimming is not difficult. D, face the fear. What is the correct answer?
Face fear.
Yes, very clear. He was able to face fear. He was able to conquer the fear. Right. Why was Douglas determined to get over his fear of water? The reason? Because he wanted to swim in the waters of the cascade, because his friend had challenged him, because he had a bet on it, because he wanted to win a medal. What is the reason?
Because he wanted to swim in the water of cascade.
Yes, because he wanted to swim in the waters of the cascade. Cascade or waters of the cascade tempted him. How did the instructor make Douglas a good swimmer? Probably with the help of ropes, by pushing him into the pool, with the help of rope and belt. Which is the correct option?
With the help of ropes and belts.
Okay, that is also correct. Good. Douglas had to repeat exhaling and inhaling exercises 100 times, 40 times, 50 times, 10 times. Option, which one is correct? There is no mention of 40 times, 10 times, and 50 times. Many times he did so. Answer is hundreds of times. Where is Metolius located? It is located in New Zealand, California, Oregon, Japan. You may not be knowing, but keep in mind it is Oregon. How much distance did Douglas cover while swimming across the lake Wentworth? Whether he covered 4 miles, 3 miles, 5 miles, 2 miles. How much it was? Anybody is able to answer?
So 2 miles.
2 miles. That is the correct answer. Where is the Lake Wentworth? New Hampshire, Washington, California, Washington, D.C. Where was it?
New Hampshire.
Yes, this is the correct answer, New Hampshire. Whenever terror struck again, Douglas would start shouting, laughing, crying, talking to terror. What did he do? He was shouting, laughing, crying, talking to terror. He said, you are trying to scare me, isn't it? What was he doing? He was talking to terror. What do you think you can do to me? These words were spoken by Douglas to a shark, to his instructor, to his friend, to terror. Of course, answer is very clear. He was talking that one to which one?
To his terror.
Terror. All we have to fear is fear itself. Who said these words? Douglas, his instructor, his father, President Roosevelt.
President Roosevelt.
Yes, correct. The writer decided to learn to swim when he was about -years old, 10 or 11 years old, 15 or 16 years old, 12 years old, 18 years old. Yes. What is the correct option? 10 or 11 years old. He practiced in the pool days a week. 3, 2, 5, 4. How many days?
5 days a week.
5 days a week, correct. You are correct, 5 days a week you practice. The pool's depth at the deep end was 20 feet, 9 feet, 6 feet, 8 feet.
9 feet.
9 feet, correct. The 9 feet seemed to Douglas like 100 feet, 90 feet, 50 feet, 25 feet. 9 appeared like 90 feet, isn't it? The water in the pool had a dash color, dirty yellow. The water in the pool had a dash color, yellow, dirty yellow tinge, a blue reflection, green color, no color. What is the color?
Yellow tinge.
Yes. Find the correct statement in the following. From the beginning, I had a fascination towards water. My introduction to YMCA swimming pool revived pleasant memories. I failed at the surface of the water, swallowed and choked. This handicap stayed with me as the days rolled by. So, which is the correct option?
My introduction to the YMCA swimming pool revived pleasant memory.
So here, find the correct statement in the following. From the beginning, I had a fascination towards water. That is not correct. My YMCA, in addition to YMCA swimming pool, revived pleasant memories, not pleasant memories, unpleasant memories. Fear. So it is not pleasant. I flailed at the surface of the water, swallowed and choked. This handicap stayed with me as the days rolled by. Correct is 3. 3 is the correct one. 42. I went to the pool when everyone was there. I stuck at the water as I went up. Finally, one December, I decided to get an instructor and learn swim. The mass of yellow water held me. So the correct option is, which is the correct option? This is wrong, isn't it? Everyone was there. No one was. I stuck at the water as I went down on. Finally, one December, it was October. So this is the correct answer. Rearrange the sentences in the correct sequence and choose the correct option. You have to arrange them in correct sequence. Now, 43. I was frightened, but not frightened out of my wits. My lungs ached, my head throbbed. The water was still, and the tiled bottom was as white and clean as a bathtub. The next I remember, I was lying on my stomach beside the pool, vomiting. So out of this, which is the correct option? You can see here the combinations. You have to find out which one is the first one. I was frightened, my lungs ached. Which is the first statement? The water was still and tiled, bottom was as white and clean as bathtub. The next I remember was lying on my stomach beside the pool, vomiting. Which option is that? Which is the first statement out of this? I was frightened, but not frightened out of my wits. This is first time when he was going down. My lungs ached, my head throbbed. This one was first time or second time? The water was still and the tiled bottom was as white and clean as a bathtub. The next I remember, this is the last one. So when you came to the swimming pool, what he found first? Can anybody say which is the correct option? You can find this is the first statement. The combination with which this one is the first One is this. Now we have to verify and find. Now this one is given a second. I was frightened but not frightened. Okay. This is okay. Now the second one, okay. So this is a correct option. Question number 44. So B is the correct option. With that, he picked me up and tossed me into the deep end. For days, a haunting fear was in my heart. Tiny stages of the old terror would return. I imagined I would walk to the surface of the boat. Reading this one, can you tell me which one is the first option? Anybody? Tiny vestiges of the old terror would return. Is this one? Or I imagined I would walk for a day's haunting fear in my heart. With that, he picked me up. So this is the first one. Starting with 1. Second. 3, 4. So this is the correct option. A is the correct option. Now coming to 45, question number 45. Assertion, reason type. Douglas' mother kept warning him about the Yakima River. That is true. There were many drowning incidents in the river. That is also true. So both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is true, reason is false, assertion is false, and reason is true. Which one is the correct answer? Can anybody say? Both the statements are correct. So you have to think out of this 1 and 2. Out of that, why did mother warn? Just because of this. So 1 is the correct answer. Now 46. Assertion. Douglas had a liking for the water from the beginning. The waves had knocked him down when he was very young. So this is also correct. This was also correct. Douglas had a liking for the water for the beginning. Is it a liking that he had to find out? So now both assertion and reason are correct. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is true, reason is false. Assertion is false, reason is false. So whether this is correct, Douglas had a liking for the water from the beginning. Whether he had a liking for the water, tell me. The waves had knocked him down when he was young. This is correct. What about this first statement, whether it is correct or not? Can anybody say? So,
Sir,
tell me. Douglas had a like, answer? Which one?
sir, assertion true ആണോ?
അതാണ് ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് അസേഷൻ ട്രൂ, അസേഷൻ ട്രൂ ആണോ എന്നാണ് ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. ഞാൻ ആദ്യം ആണ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു, ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുന്നു അതാണോ. It is said in the lesson that assertion that he had a dislike for water from the beginning എന്നാണ് പുസ്തകത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. So this assertion is not correct. I said first correct, but assertion is not correct. In that case, assertion is false and reason is true. This is the answer. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
That must be the answer. Fourth one is the answer. 47. Douglas' introduction to the YMCA pool revived unpleasant memories of the childhood. Right? This is correct. He went into the pool when many people were there to help me. This is wrong. So very easily you can come here. Assertion is true, reason is false. Coming to 48. A big, tough 18-year-old boy tossed Douglas in the pool. Douglas landed in sitting position and was out of his wits. Now, both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now, both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So whether these both statements are correct, assertion is correct, reason is correct. Now, a big, tough 18-year-old boy tossed Douglas into the pool is correct. But now, both assertion and reason are correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Is it the reason? No, not because of this that he sent him into the pool. So we can find this is the correct answer. 49. The swimming instructor made Douglas worse than before. This is wrong. Douglas swam across the warm lake to other shore and back. This is correct. So assertion wrong, reason correct, which is it is here. Assertion is wrong and the reason is true. Number 4 is the correct one. I hope you are all right with it.